Come test drive the 2025 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, LED headlights, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, Bluetooth. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on